If you want to remove an object from a photo on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the gallery. Next we want to open the photo that we wish to edit, so let's say I'm gonna open this one over here. Next, tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner in order to start editing our photo. After that we want to go to Tools, and we should be able to find Magic Eraser. Tap over here and install the Magic Eraser. So we need to wait for the Magic Eraser to be downloaded, and after that you should be able to press again in order to start using it once it is installed on your phone. So over here we have a simple instruction how to use it. So what you need to do is either circle or brush the area that you wish to get rid of from the photo. So let's say I'm gonna select this toy car that I have on my photo. After that it should be highlighted and removed. Of course, in my case shadows are still left, so I can select these shadows as well in order to try to remove them. You might need to select it a couple of times in order to make it look slightly better, but generally speaking, as you can see, the object is gone from the photo. After that we can press done over here in the bottom right corner and then save copy in order to save our photo. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!